Hello students, good morning. Yesterday I was given some algebraic identities. I hope all of you memorize these identities. So if you're not done, by heart these all the identities because your exercise 6D already I have explained some questions from the exercise 6D in my last class which are based on these given identities. So once again I have written here, you also write the identities 2-3 times and learn it. When you properly learn the identities, you will understood the identities, then only you can solve the questions from the exercise 6D. Here first one I have given a plus b the whole square. Repeat with me, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. This one, second one, if a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. And third, a plus b into a minus b. Product of a plus b into a minus b. It is equal to a square minus b square. Right. So here I have explained some question from the exercise 60. Yesterday I will explain its question number 1, 2 and some part of maybe third also. So here third question, its fourth part I am going to explain. It is given evaluate a upon 2, expand a upon 2 plus 2 upon a the whole square. This is called whole square. So recognize which identity can be applied here. You can see which identity can be applied. First one, because a plus b the whole square. So it is at the place of a here a by 2, at the place of b there 2 upon a. So a plus b the whole square is a square. Just look here, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So apply this identity. What is a? A upon 2 the whole square plus twice of a by 2 into 2 by a plus this 2 upon a the whole square. Then simplify it. A square is a square, 2 square is 4, so a square by 4 plus, this 2 is cancelled, a is also cancelled, remaining only 2 plus 2 square 4 upon a square. So this is the answer of this first question, means question number 3 is fourth part. Next, its sixth part, question number 3, its sixth part. Find or expand 9x minus 10 the whole square. Which identity? First of all, you need to recognize which identity apply a minus b. So a minus b the whole square. What is a square minus 2ab plus b square? That's why I am saying you need to learn all the identities, by heart the identities, very much important identities. 9x minus 10 the whole square. What is 9x square? 9x the whole square. Identity 9x the whole square minus twice of 9x into 10 plus 10 square. 9x the whole square, 9 square, 81x square, 81x square minus 2 9 the 18 into 10, 180x plus 10 square 100. So this is the answer of this sixth part of question number 3. Next, ninth one. Again, find 3m minus 4m the whole square. So once again, second identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a? 3m. Sorry, here I have written 9m by the mistake, but it must be 3m. 3m the whole square. What is 3 square? 9. So it becomes 9m square minus twice of a into b. So 2 into 3m into 4m. 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24 mm. Plus 4n the whole square. 4 square 16n square. So 16n square. So same as you need to done other part of the question number 3rd. Next, question number 4, its second part I am going to explain. Find the product of 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. Means evaluate 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 5. Which identity can be applied? Look, 2x same, 5 same, only sign change. And a plus and there minus. So a plus b and a minus b. So which identity? Third. What is a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So therefore 2x square, 2x the whole square minus 5 the whole square. What is 2 square? 4 and x square? X square. So 4x square minus 5 square 25. So its answer is 4x square minus 25. Next, its fifth part. Question number 4, its fifth part. What is given? Again, find the product of 5x square plus 3 upon 4y square with 5x square minus 3 upon 4y square. Again a plus b and a minus b. So again third identity is applied. A square minus b square. What is a? 5x square. So 5x square the whole square minus b. What is b? 3 upon 4 y square. So 3 upon 4 y square the whole square. 5 square 25. So 25 x to the power 4 y x square the whole square, that is x to the power 4. So 25 x to the power 4 minus 3 square 9 upon 4 square 16. Y square is square y to the power 4. So this is the answer of fifth part of question number 4. Next it's ninth part. Ninth part of question number. So here if you have not seen, so see this fourth, it's second part I have done here. 2x the whole square, that is 4x square minus 5 square 25. Fifth one, question number fifth, that is 5x square plus 3 upon 4y square into 5x square minus 3 upon 4y square. So according to identity, 5x square the whole square minus 3 upon 4y square the whole square. So 5 square 25x to the power 4 minus 9 upon 16y to the power 4. Next, ninth part of the question. Here, ninth part of the question 4. It is given, find the product of 2a plus 3 upon b with 2a minus 3 upon b. So again, third identity is applied. What is third identity? A square minus b square. So that is a square. What is a? 2a square minus 3 upon b the whole square. 2a the whole square, 4a square minus 3 upon b the whole square, that is 9 upon b square. So this is the answer of ninth part of question number 4. Next question number 5th, it's question number 5th, it's first part. Look, it is given that using the formula of squaring a binomial, evaluate the 54 whole square. This is question number 5th is given. All part you need to do using the formula of binomial. Fifth is first given, evaluate the 54 square. Find out the value of 54 square. One method, you will multiply 54 into 54. But here we need to use the identity, then we need to solve it. Means directly, if you will solve, you will not get the marks. So therefore, you need to apply this process only. 54. Look the 54. 54 is near about 50. ऐसे numbers के near about हमको think करना है. इसका square orally you can find out. You can find out its square orally. Like 50 and 4 are 60 and 6. 60 minus 6 is equal to 54. You can write 60 minus 6. Otherwise 54 50 plus 4. Now identity a plus b. देखो binomial हो गया. 50 plus 4 the whole square. A plus b the whole square. So what is identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So 50 plus 4 the whole square. 50 square plus 2 into 50 into 4 plus 4 square. Right now? Now put 50 square. What is the value of 50 square? 2500. 5 5 is 25. Then 2 0 will come. Right now? 2500. 2 into 50. 100 into 4. That is 400. 4 square? 16. 2500 plus 400. 2900 plus 16. 2916. 2916. I hope in students you understood this question. Next I will explain the question number 4th of 5th. Question number 4th of the 5th. Question number 5 of the same exercise, and it's 5th question. It is given, evaluate, find the value of 5th is 4th part, sorry, huh? 5th is 4th part, 704 its whole square. So again, what you can write, it is near about 700, right now. So you can write it 700 plus 4 the whole square. What is 700 plus 4, right? So I am going to solve the question number 5, its 4th part. Question number 5, its 4th part, that is find the value of 704 the whole square. So 704 the whole square. So 704 can be written 700 plus 4 its whole square. So use the identity. It can be written, what it can be written, 700 square, right, plus twice into 700 into 4 plus 4 square. Now put 700 square, 7 7 जा 49. How many zero? 4 zero. Square करेंगे तो zeros double हो जाएगा. So 49 0 0 0 0 4 0 plus you can say 4,90,000. 2 into 700 into 4. 4 to the 8. 8 into 7 56. So it becomes 5600. Right now 5600 plus 4 square, that is 16. Then add them all. So ये 6 1, right? Then 6 again. Then 5 9 4. So we got 4,95,616 is the value of 700 for the whole square. Next, question number 6. I will explain its second part. Question number 6, its second part. Evaluate 78 the whole square. Find out the value of 78 the whole square. So this 78 the whole square can be written 70 plus 8 and it also can be written 80 minus 2. So simple क्या हुआ 80 minus 2. So easily you can solve using 80 minus 2. So here a minus b the whole square, its identity is applied. Which identity? A minus b its whole square. So a minus b the whole square, 80 square, right? Minus na twice of a into b plus b square. Then if you solve it, what you will get? 8 square 6400, correct? Minus 2 8 is 16 2 is 32, 320 plus 4. Okay. Then you need to solve it. So you can write in this way 6 4 0 4. पहले 4 को plus कर लेते हैं. Minus 320. Then subtract it. What you will get? Like here 4. Then 0. Carry करोगे 10 minus 2 8. Here 3 minus 3 0. Here 6 6 0 8 6084 6084. Are you getting now? 6084. It is. Is it clear? 6084. Correct. Next question. So next question I will explain question number 3rd. Its third part. Question number 3rd. It is given. Find the value of 197 the whole square. 197. Its whole square. What is 197 the whole square? It can be written near about 200. So 200 minus 3 the whole square. We can write it now. 200 minus 3 the whole square. Then which identity can be applied? We can apply the identity number 2nd. Correct now? Second, a minus b the whole square. That is 200 square. 200 square. That is 200 whole square minus twice into 200 into 3 plus 3 square. Okay. What is 200 square? 2 2s are 4 and 4 0. Correct. Minus how much you will get? 3 2s are 6 2s are 12. 1200 plus 9. Correct na? Then add karo 40,000 plus 9. It becomes 40,009 minus 1200. So यहाँ पे देखो 9 हुआ. Correct. Then 0. Then 8. 9 minus 1, that is also 8, and 3. 38809. 38809. 38809. Is it clear? Are you getting me? Next. So try these questions. I explaining some question from each part. Remaining question you need to try the students. If any doubt you can ask. But continue. I will explain. Next question number 7. I will explain the next question. Question number 7. What is question number 7? So look in your book. question number 7. Question number 7 is given. Find the value of. Look, its second part I am going to explain. Second part of question number 7. It is given. Evaluate or find the value of 128 square minus 72 the whole square, or you can see square. Easily, I hope you can solve. How many of you can solve? So many of you can solve. Right now, which identity will apply? Here is the converse of this. A square minus B square. We know that A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So A square minus B square is equal to also can be written A plus B into A minus B. So according to that, I can write A plus B. See, look the formula. A plus B into A minus B. What is A? What is A here? A is 128. What is B? Plus 72. Into A 128 minus B. B is 72. 128 plus 72. How much? 200. Correct now? Into 128 minus 72. How much? There is 6. Then 5. 56. Multiply करो. कितना find out हुआ? 21100. This is the answer. Is it clear? Question number 7. Question number 7. It's question number 7. Students, I have explained here. Question number 7. It's second part. Next question, dear students. Next question, I will explain question number 7. It's which part you want? Chalo, I will explain the its third part also, because so many of you getting confusion in that. So I will explain third part also. Question number 7. It's third part. What is third part? Find the product of 197 into 203. 197 into 203. 197 into 203, but not directly. Directly, the student of class 4th, 5th are doing, na? They are directly multiplied. But you need to find out the product using identity, suitable identity. So for that, look, 197. 200 से 3 less है, and this is more 3 more than 200. So ये 200 minus 3 and this is 200 plus 3. So we can write 200 minus 3 into what? 200 plus 3. Then find the product A minus B into A plus B. Which identity is applied? Third, A plus B into A minus B. It is equal to A square minus B square. So we can get it 200 square minus 3 square. 200 square is 4 and then 40 right now 40,000 होगा minus 9. Solve करो कितना मिलने वाला है? यहाँ पे हो गया देखो 1 9 9 again 9 3 means 39,991 is the answer of this question. Answer of this question. Okay, is it clear? Next I will explain question number 7th. It's fourth part. 7th it's fourth part. Identity I will rub the identity. I hope all of you learn the identity. If you have not learned, memorize it, learn it by heart karo. Question number 7, it's fourth part. Question number 7, it's fourth part. Students, look the question number 7. What is given? 198 into 198, 7. It's fourth part. 198 into 198 minus how much? 102 into 102 divided by 96. Correct now? Divided by 96. So now can you tell how many of you can solve? I hope so many of you can solve. This 198 into 198 can be written 198 the whole square minus 102 into 102 100 to the whole square divided by 96. अभी देखो हमने आइडेंटिटी रफ कर दिया. So those of you learn, those of you by heart, only you can apply. Which identity is applied? Third one, A square minus B square. Learn the identity in both way. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square, and A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So use the identity. Third, it is 198 plus 102 into 198 minus 102 divided by 96. Correct now? डिवाइडेड बाई 96। 108 प्लस 102 ऐड करो, कितना आने वाला है? तो ये 2 प्लस कर दो, 200 हो गया, प्लस 100 हाउ मच? 300 इंटू 96 मिलेगा, 96 डिवाइडेड बाई 96, एनीथिंग इज कैंसिल। ये देखो 96 96 से कैंसिल हो गया। व्हाट इज द आंसर? आंसर इज कम्स आउट 300। इज इट क्लियर? Is it clear? Are you getting me? What is the answer? 300. You got the answer 300. Correct na? Next question. Question number 8. Look the question number 8. Friends, I will explain question number 8. What is given question number 8? This question number 8 is given. Find the value of the expression. Find the value of the expression 9x square plus 24x plus 16 when x is equal to 12. तो इट्स वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है। तो सो मच सिंपली यू कैन सॉल्व इन दिस वे आल्सो, x की प्लेस पे 12 रख के सॉल्व कर दो, बट कैलकुलेशन डिफिकल्ट होगा, कैलकुलेशन लार्ज होगा। सो फॉर दैट आइडेंटिटी का हेल्प लेकर के सॉल्व करो तो यू विल गेट द लेस कैलकुलेशन, डिफिकल्ट नहीं होगा, रॉन्ग होने के चांसेस कम होंगे। सो हाउ कैन यू यूज द आइडेंटिटी? लुक एट मी, हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व दिस 9x? तो पहले ये जो स्क्वायर के टर्म्स है 9x स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन 3x द होल स्क्वायर, और फिर लास्ट टर्म को नोट करो, 16 को क्या नोट करते हो? 4 स्क्वायर। फिर चेक करो 2ab क्या होगा, ट्वाइस ऑफ a, व्हाट इज a? 3x इनटू b, व्हाट इज b? 4। फिर इसका प्रोडक्ट देखो, 4 3 जा 12 2 जा 24x है ना, यहाँ 24x, वी आर गेटिंग 24x। तो दिस 24x को क्या नोट कर सकते हैं? 2 इंटू 3x इंटू 4। तो फिर ये देखो विच आइडेंटिटी? a square plus b square plus 2a into b plus 2ab. So it is the identity of a means 3x plus b means 4 its whole square. अब देखो so much simple। अभी if x is equal to 12 हम रखते हैं, देखो x is equal to 12 पुट करें, I will get 3 into 12 plus 4 its whole square। 12 3 जा 36 plus 4 its whole square, 36 plus 4 40, 40 square is equal to 1600, right now? So what is the answer? We got the answer 1600. Is it clear? So its answer is becomes 1600, correct? Next question. Similarly you can try the question number 9. I will explain one question from 11th. I will explain the question number 11th also. Question number 11. Other questions you need to try, and if you are having doubt you can ask to me. Question number 11. It is given, question number 11, given x plus 1 upon x is equal to, given x plus 1 upon x is equal to 4, then find the value of first one. Find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. तो इसका वैल्यू चाहिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में। To find out the value of that, make its whole square. देखो क्या given है, since given है x plus 1 upon x is equal to, given है ना 4, तो इसका whole square कर दो। whole square करेंगे तो it becomes the, means squaring on both sides। हम squaring करेंगे, squaring on we are going to square it, squaring on both the sides, right? When you will square on both sides you will get क्या मिलेगा? x plus 1 upon x whole square and 4 square। so देखो ये मिला x square plus twice of a into b, first identity, plus b के प्लेस पे क्या हुआ? 1 upon x the whole square is equal to 16। now look x square plus, देखो ये x कैंसिल हुआ, क्या मिला? 2 plus 1 upon x square is equal to 16, but x square plus 1 upon x square की वैल्यू रिक्वायर्ड है, so 2 को ट्रांसपोज करो। if I will do in this way we can get x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 16 minus 2, that is 14। देखो ये आंसर हो गया, right ना? so this is the first part of this question. is it clear? It's second part of this question which is given, find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4। for that make the squaring of this part, since we got x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 14। देखो हमको किसका वैल्यू चाहिए, x टू द पावर 4 कैसे मिलेगा, जब इसका स्क्वायर करोगे। सो स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, अगेन स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, स्क्वायरिंग on both the sides, both the sides, correct। so देखो क्या मिलने वाला है, x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 14 स्क्वायर। यूज द आइडेंटिटी, a स्क्वायर मीन्स x टू द पावर 4, करेक्ट ना, x स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर दैट इज प्लस सॉरी ट्वाइस ऑफ a इंटू b प्लस b स्क्वायर 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 14 स्क्वायर 196 इज इक्वल टू 196, right now is equal to 196। then look, then simplify it, on simplifying it you can get the solution। what is the simplification, x square whole square x to the power 4 plus, look here, x square cancel होगा तो you will get 2 plus 1 upon x square the whole square 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 196। अभी ये 2 ट्रांसपोज होगा अदर साइड, so you will get x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 196 minus 2, correct ना, therefore x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 196 minus 2 that is 194। देखो ये आंसर हुआ। So students, all of you try the remaining questions of the exercise 6D, and if any doubt you can ask to me, and the question those I have explained, try it once by yourself। if you are having the doubt in this question also, you can ask to me and complete this exercise, and after I will explain some more question if you are having doubt next day। Thank you।